While my husband Len is following his bliss, I am following mine. Hello, my name is Anita and I'm a Dutch-Kiwi, and today I'd like to invite you to my kitchen. Let's cook. I'm in the kitchen having fun. Now, I still had some birthday money. Ma used to give us an envelope every birthday with some money in it, and she said, spend it on yourself, don't put it in the housekeeping. But anyway, so I still had some, and so I recently went browsing in a kitchenware shop and I bought myself these. Now they're it's a 3-piece set of rosettes, and the brand is Plate It like a pro. Now, no, they're not promoting. I'm not promoting it as in I'm earning anything. I mean, I'm just telling you this. But you might have another brand or whatever. And then it had this really cool leaflet, which I also took, and it also shows many other forms and shapes that you can get. And it has a wee recipe of the batter that you need. And I was having one of those days where I thought, what am I going to do today? And I thought I'll give it a go. So I'm going to give it a go. The batter is quite simple, really. It's 150 grams of flour, 240 ml of milk, a pinch of salt, and 1 egg. And whisk it up, make sure there's no lumps. It worked. This is my first one, and it came off the iron. I'm now going to take it out of the oil. I'll show you how I did it in just a minute. And it's such fun. I'm just having a play. And sometimes you've just got to do that, just to have fun. Here we go again. Now I've got, I don't have any examples, and I haven't even looked on YouTube of how to. I just bought the items and took the little brochure with me and started having a go. Now, depending on how deep you dip the form into the batter as to how big your little flour is going to be. Now this one I've only just barely touched into the bowl with the batter, and see, I've just got a little thin ring, as opposed to those ones which I dipped deeper. See what a different effect you get? Now these ones are quite deep and quite thick. Well, I really like those too. They almost look like something out of the ocean. And this one is sort of like a medium size. So let me get this one out the oil. Don't want to get it too dark. It's a bit like fishing. There we go. Look at that. Isn't that gorgeous? So it might be one shape that I use, but I can make different types of decorations for on the plate. And of course I had to try another shape, and that's working well too. I'll just give it a tap on the side and off it falls. Got to put my phone down now so I can grab it. Here we are, see? How's that? And won't that just look cute on the plate? Oh, now I've got to think of who I can invite for dinner. I can make a scrumptious meal using my newfound techniques. Feast your eyes on these funny shapes that I have just made. Practiced making so I can use them next time I invite someone for dinner. Now this is a really funny one. You can use them both ways. You can actually put them on the plate like this, or you can turn them around and put them on a plate like that. Now it's just an ordinary batter. It's eggs, flour and milk. And it's just getting the hang of the iron and how much batter you want to put on and how hot you want your oil. And so these are my masterpieces. These are a bit too brown. Well, I think they're a bit brown, but then it also depends on what you use them for. You could sprinkle them with sea salt or a mix of salty flavours. You could even use them in a dessert. So if you want to pretty something up. So, I'm really quite pleased with the result. So, there you go, see? You could fill that with a cream, or you could put different colours in the petals. I'm happy. So that was a good experiment. Okay, I hope you enjoyed watching this. Short but sweet. I just had fun in the kitchen. Yeah, it's a good place to be. So just as a serving suggestion, imagine serving this in a dessert with ice cream, or you might have made a mousse, and I've just put some powdered sugar over it. Icing sugar, some might call it. This is a savoury one. I have got garlic, salt and paprika. You could use that with a savoury dish. And this is also a sweet dish. I have put caster sugar with cinnamon. Now, aren't they lovely decorations? Oh, I just like playing with this sort of thing. Crunchy. Yummy. This is the savoury one with the garlic and paprika. Yum. Right. I'll rinse my mouth and have another one. Next is the icing sugar. Of course, it's going to be nice. Also crunchy. Take a bite out of the other one. I don't have to rinse my mouth. It's another sweet one. So here we go. This is the flour. More crunch. And with the caster sugar and cinnamon. Sort of a donutty flavour. Oh, yum. Lovely, lovely, lovely. That's it from me. It really is worth it. Go on, give it a go. You know you want to. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like, leave a comment and subscribe so that there's lots more for you to see next time I'm in the kitchen, or on the road for that matter.